Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to row, specifically the bent over 3-point row. Why is the row important? Specifically because we spend all day hunched over our computers, bent over texting on our phones, that our back muscles have been elongated and stretched. Therefore, we need to strengthen them to help have upper body perfect posture. I'm Kori. I have certifications in FMS 1 and 2 and a pain-free performance specialist. I know how important it is to move well, move often, just so we can feel our best. If this is your first time at our channel, we do 30-minute workouts, we do 10-minute workouts, we also do some how-to videos, nutritional tips and tricks, all things fitness and wellness, just to help you along your fitness journey. I'm gonna go grab Brad and we're gonna teach you how to row. Now that I have someone here to demonstrate with me, I'm going to have Brad, who's my husband and the owner of BeneFitness, get down into a 3-point stance row. He's not going to be doing any talking today. If you know him, he likes to talk a lot. So we're not going to put a microphone on him, so I get to do all the talking. So back to the row. He's in this 3-point stance, staggered stance row. We're staggering our stance to make sure we try to keep our hips square and torso stable. So we have that little extra added stability element. His weight is going to be in this left shoulder, but we're going to make sure that he doesn't shrug this shoulder when he's here. So he has a nice long spine. His neck is being pulled in that opposite direction. We don't want to have any extension or flexion of the neck. He's going to have the weight hang straight down. In this position though, often I see people overextend and then they're going to do a lawnmower. Let's show that lawnmower. So this is not what's supposed to happen. Okay, so rest that, Brad. We don't want to hurt yourself while you're doing it incorrectly. So you want to be slightly stretched through here, but not overstretched like he was showing. A nice stable shoulder with those shoulders down your back. See how he corrected? If you notice that, he corrected it. Good. So before he rows though, he's going to end up pulling his elbow in line with his torso, not in that over lawnmower position. So Brad, let's do 2 reps. And he's going to hold it for 2 seconds and he's feeling that contraction right there in his lats. And do it again. And relax. Good. So also, when you're doing this row, you want to think about, sometimes we get a lot of tension up through here in our mid to upper back, even in our neck. We have to connect our mind to our muscles, focusing on that contraction in the lat, especially in that hold. So he's going to do 2 more reps for me. So he's going to pull, focus on here, control the movement down, and do 1 more. And notice how he's at 90 degrees here. That's another key point. And right back down. So I'm going to give a quick recap. You have a staggered stance. His hips are square, your spine is nice and long all the way from the top. His shoulders are packed down, slightly stretched but not overstretched. Now he's going to row and hold. Elbow is 90 degrees, basically in line with his torso. Control the movement down. Perfect. So now that you learned how to do a bent over row in that staggered stance, go try it at home, but also I want you to remember, it's not about doing super heavy weights. It's not about doing tons and tons of reps. It's about doing quality movements. That's the key to strength training, to having a healthy body, healthy muscles. So check out some of our other videos. We love to instruct you, help you, work out with you, and we'll see you in those.